Okay, Rua Marginal do Canal das Hortas. So we're just gonna walk straight down the street, and got some pretty tall buildings around here. We're really close to the border as well. So okay, so stay tuned, and we'll take you on this walk with us. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rua Marginal do Canal das Hortas. There's apartments everywhere. These apartments kind of have this little wavy aspect to them. Okay, there's a park right over there. Actually, I walked in that park a little while ago. Let's do it again. It's a good place to start this video because, for one, they're like doing mahjong games. There's a public bathroom right over there. So yeah, they're doing mahjong. It's cool. And this one is too. And you got some beautiful lighting here. So we're just gonna walk. I think we're gonna walk straight through here. And we're just gonna walk back this way. So yeah, they're playing mahjong in the park. There's some two beautiful mahjong, and they're well utilized. It's like, I wonder what would happen if you had many of them, because maybe there would be many more games being played. Okay. Got a gas station right here. Lots of density, as you can see. Somebody doing something up there. Can my camera capture how interesting that is? Women running across. Okay. She's taking this to where the incinerator. They'll burn and recycle in that area. You can sit outside in this space. It's fish restaurant. Snow White Cafe. Taking your bicycle on the sidewalk. Must be a challenge. Kind of cool. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. I've been in Macau for about 8 years, so it's kind of interesting when you're at the border, because then it's has a really different feel to it culturally. Definitely feels like a different culture. Like when you're in Macau, like just like Taipa and stuff like that. There's Zhuhai China right there. There's just some hotels in that area. These ones, transportation. What's this? A piece of cake. Huh. Okay, so I think this is kind of a cool little space in here, piece of cake. So, okay. Got some interesting stuff everywhere. Another restaurant here. Green and nice, nice ambiance. Yeah, when you're up near the border, it has a totally different feel, so it's a little bit strange and interesting. Because you get used to the kind of like, there's more of a Portuguese influence in the other parts, and more English, and more the locals that live in the other parts have lived there for, you know, a lot of them are Macanese, some have Portuguese ancestors, and they're really Macanese, you know, like a different culture altogether. And then you get up here and it's like really feels like you're kind of in China. How cool that is. I guess it's good to stop and just kind of see everything too. This is like a pizza place in here. some pizza. So yeah, it's like a little pizza place with beer. Lots of Asahi beer. It's cool. I think you can also sit here too if it's too full. Very nice. Yeah, pretty cool. Should go up there because it's more interesting, but it's interesting everywhere. Okay, so here's a whole other little area. So I think what I'm going to do is just we'll just end it right there. So there's our street right there, Rua Marginal do Canal das Hortas. We basically explored that right down that way. Behind us would be the way to go to mainland China. So that would so this is that little stretch. That one is the border right there. So that's you can kind of cross over and then you go just a little bit over that way, right over there actually, and then you can go right into China. I'm gonna do a separate video with that one. So let's just end that one for now. Chiquinha, chiquinha.